guys and girls. Now I know you're usually used to seeing me, if you've subscribed to this channel, doing violin videos and music videos, music educational things in particular. But I got a cool story. It revolves around a lesson I was giving the other day. And as you may know, I run the Fiddle Jam Institute. But I don't just do online lessons. I do some in our hometown here. I do some private lessons as well. And often, if I have a student that's just leaving and another one that's coming in, I try to make them play a tune together in their passing few minutes. And in this particular day, this quick story, it's a really cool story of coincidence. I had a 12-year-old girl and a 13-year-old girl, and they kind of knew some same tunes, so I got them to think of a song they knew together to have the experience of playing together. And I was going to hold their feet to the fire and say, which one of you is going to count it in? So they learn how to be a leader. They look at, not me, not me. They're all nervous and stuff. And I said, come on, one of you's got to do it. Not me, neither one was budging. So, okay, we're going to flip for it. And I reached in my pocket for a coin to flip for it. And the 13-year-old, the older one, says, wait a minute, it's not fair. You probably got a coin with your name on both sides or something crazy like that. I looked at the coin, I said, well, George is on one side, George Washington, and I flipped it over. And lo and behold, after she said that, I had a coin in my pocket with my name on it. Now, it's not my name in particular. I don't know if this camera will see it clear enough, but it says Perry's Victory on it, which is actually the Ohio quarter in the United States here, has a picture of my great-great-great-grandfather on it. Yes, my great-great-grandfather was Oliver Hazard Perry, who was the Admiral of the Navy in the War of 1812, who beat the British. Sorry for you Brits. Anyways, what are the chances of that? How cool is that she actually said, you probably have a coin with your name on it in your pocket, and I pulled out a coin randomly out of my pocket, didn't even know that coin existed, and looked at it and it had my name on it. Well, my great-great-great-grandfather's name, actually. But it's like, I thought that was cool. How much more coincidental can things be, huh? It's meant to be. I thought it was a cool little story. I hope you enjoy it.